Hello guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. So another lesson, sorry lang. Another day to share something valuable today. So ceiling daw takaran. I'm not sure I should speak in Tagalog, but Tagalog is so difficult and so is English, as so is English. So let's shake it. Saksak sinagol taran. Okay, ceiling with metal framing. Okay, data needed. So length for long span and width for short span. And ito. For example, we have a ceiling. So titingnan nyo po doon sa ceiling plan kung ano yung dimension ng ceiling nyo po. For this example, length of long span, let's say I'm sorry. So let's say for the long span, actually nilink ko na to dito. So I like this. So in this blue, sinulayan ko na ito lang naman talaga yung kailangan and everything will calculate itself. And length, so let us say it's 8 meter. So as you can see, may gumagalaw na dito sa banda na to. And here also, and then let us say for with the short span, so I will assume na hindi ko na kailangang i-discuss or i-explain or i-elaborate what's long span and short span. So short is this and long is this. So, yun po. And then with it for short span, let us say 5. So this is just an example, okay? So here we need units for number of same dimension ceiling. So example, your ceiling plan has a lot of rooms. So it has a lot of ceiling, okay. And we have another ceiling, for example, for another room, and with the same dimension, 5 by 8, 8 by 5, or you say. So if it's the same, so that's 2. You count the units or ilang ceiling na magkapareho yung dimension na ganito. So for this example, it's just 1. And there's spacing of double faring. So let me show you a faring, for example. So this is and ceiling frame details. So sa ilalim yung natatakpan ng board natin. So this double faring at 300 on center. Ito po 'yon. Ito. And then this carrying channel, ito yun. Carrying kasi siya yung nagke-carry ng ating double faring. Okay, and the next to it is this, the board. The here, fiber cement ceiling board or ceiling board, let's say, kasi may, iba naman na plywood yung gamit nila or, yeah, plywood or marine plywood. Okay, so ceiling board. Yun po. And then, so spacing of double faring, so nandun, 300 on center, and tama ba? Double faring is 300 and the carrying is 600. So carrying is 0.6. Okay, 600 to. So 600 over 1,000 para maging meter. So 0. Yun. And then spacing of rivets. Spacing of rivets. So let us say yung parang pako. Okay. Nails parang ganyan. Rivets. So let us say 20 or 200 So 0.20 meters. So spacing of hanger bar or rod along short side. Along short side. So for this, along short side, okay. Spacing of rod. Ito po yung rod natin. Rod. Okay. Here is 1, 2, 3. So 300 times 3 times 4. 120. 1.2 meter. By the way, let me explain again. Back to the picture. So this carrying channel, carrying channel. Okay, siya yung magki-carry together with this hanger. Siya yung magki-carry ng weight ng ating ceiling board and this double faring. So, double, I mean, carrying channel, ito, carrying channel at 600 mm spacing should be placed in parallel to the width. Okay, parallel or along, whatever. So, igaganyan mo pagka-place. Okay, ganyan. Yung placing ng carrying channel. Okay, let me draw a shape. Okay. Ganyan. Okay. Hindi ko na ano na. Okay. Okay. I will make it perfect because this is just an example. So let's just say like this. And yeah. Okay. Like this. So this is an example. Okay. So carrying channel should be placed like this. And then the double faring should be placed along the what? Yeah, the longitudinal. Hindi ko na ano na. Okay. Basta sagad yan. Hindi ko na ano yan. Basta sagad yan. And straight. This is just an example. Okay. So this is this is the carrying channel and this is the double faring. So space in 300 mm and this is space in 600 mm. Okay, so I will unhide it already. So let us say, so for ceiling board, so computation for ceiling board is total area equals length times width times number of ceiling with the same dimension as I say. So nakalink lang to dito, here. So hindi ko na kailangan input ulit. Okay, and this total area is just the product of this 8 times 5 times 1 is 40 square meter. And then area per board or example the plywood, the what do you call that? Fiber cement ceiling board is 4 feet by 8 feet. And this is in meters. Ginawa ko lang na may round down ko so that it will be in 1 decimal. So 1.2 by 2.4 and the product of this is 2.88 square meter. This is area per board. So isang sheet. Okay. So total number of ceiling board needed. So for this 40 square meter, ilang ilang sheets na board na kailangan natin if we have 2.88 square meter per sheet. So 40, yun divide 2.88. So here, nag-round up lang. 40 divide, let's calculate. 40 divide 2.88 is 13.88 and then round up, it's 14 sheets, whatever you use. So for carrying channel, saan ba yun? Kuhan siya. So free-freeze ko na lang. Here for carrying channel computation, so number of pieces. So bibilangin na tong length of long span. So carrying channel, di ba? This orange, ilang pieces. So this long span, we will divide it with the spacing. So spacing of carrying channel is 0.60 meter. So 8, the long span length, 8 meters divide 0.6 meters is round up plus 1 kasi it's this, the 600 is this, and we are counting this, so plus 1. So 8 divided 0.6 is 13.33, is around up 14 plus 1, 15. So total length is, width times number of pieces. So width in short span is 5, total length. Here we are just counting of if how many carrying channel, 1, 2, something like that. And then we have to multiply it with the width net mo kung gaano siya kahaba. So here, 5, that's 5, right? The short span length, the short span. 5 meters times 15. Yeah, so 75 meters in total because it's a product of 5 times 15, 75 total length ng carrying channel. So number of carrying channel per 5 meters because the commercial length is 5 meters. Sometimes they have 6 or anyway, just check the commercial length, what's available in your area. So 75 divide 5 or whatever, you can use your own commercial lens dito. So for this example, 5. So 75 divide 5 and round up. 25 divide 5, it's 15. So 15. Yun, 15 pesos at 5 meters long. So this is now the answer for our carrying channel. Yun. Tapos na tayo dito sa orange. So let's hear the double faring. So sa double faring, so how to count how many pieces? So the short span, 5 meters divide the spacing of this double faring. So short span is 5 divide the spacing 0.30. So here 5 and 0.30, it's plus 1, then 18. 18 pieces. And the length for this, it should be the length of the long span. So 8. So 18. So 8 meters times 18 is 144 meters. And 144 meters for, again, if we have a commercial length of 5 meters per piece of our not, no, this is not carrying channel, this is double faring. Okay. So 144 divide 5 is 29. 144 divide 5 is 28.8, round up, 29 pieces at 5 meters long. So yun na po yung double faring natin. However, siya lang. As you can see, by the way, babalikan natin. Carrying channel, ito po, the carrying channel should be placed in this direction. Kung saan yung, I think I discussed it already. Sa short span, Y, di ba siya yung mag-carry ng weight ng board at ng double faring nito at ng ceiling board natin. So, so this should be, the carrying channel should be placed in the short span along parallel sa short span. Why? Because it's stronger that way. So mas sa may Tagalog sa akin. Mas ligon. Mas matibay pala. So mas matibay kung dito siya sa short span, right? So kasi short lang yung length niya, so haba niya. So mas matibay siya kaysa sa dito kaysa sa mahaba. So dito na sa gitna mas weak siya, 'di ba? Pero pag dito siya sa short span, Kasi short span lang siya, so mas dito sa gitna, mas matibay siya. So kaya yung carrying channel natin should be placed in this direction. Okay, yun. And so, rivets. So, for the computation of rivets, so parang yung pako doon sa ceiling board natin. So, it's just, ginawa ko lang is, kasi dito sa example, this is the ceiling board and then the next is the double faring. So, ginawa ko, so, di ba, yung rivets it should fasten the ceiling board and the double faring, di ba? Hindi naman dito. Dito siya first, yung rivets. So, total length of double faring is, di ba, 144 meters dito, double faring. And then, spacing of rivets, ginawa ko, okay, length natin dito sa 0.20 meter. Of course, you can decide anong spacing, if it's 0.15 or what, or however. But for this example, is 0.20. So, the number of rivets, I just divide 144 divide 0.20 is what 720 pieces. So, yun po yun. And channel clip. Channel clip is this. No, nag-flip dun sa channel tsaka dun sa faring. So, yun, just the intersection between the carrying channel and the double faring, right? As you can see in the picture. So, ginawa ko is total number of pieces is the total intersections of double faring and carrying channel. So, this 15 is the number of our carrying channel times the number of our double faring. So, yun. So, multiply. It's 270 pieces, yun po. And then the hanger bar or rod. So again, in this picture, it's along the carrying channel and it's placed in how many? 1, 2, 3. And consider 4 kasi half dito, half dito. So 4 times spacing of this is 300, so 120. Yeah, 120. So short span is 5 meters, right? Yun. And then spacing of hanger bar is 1.2 based on this. So 1.2. So 5 divide 1.2 plus 1. Nag plus 1? Or you can add plus 1 or not. So yun. 5 divide 1.2. 4.4 point. Yeah. Then 6 pieces. So total number of pieces, units along channel, channel. Carrying channel. So 15 yung sa channel natin here. Yung number of channel natin and then number of pieces kasi dito is the short span dito, number of along channel is the um long span. So 15 times 9 is 90 pieces. So metal screw 1 inch, total number of pieces is this hanger bar, number of hanger bar times 2 kasi doon sa doon sa top tsaka sa bottom niya, I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Hindi pa ako nakatry. Nakalimutan din niya. So, wall angle. Wall angle is it should be placed here. Wall. Wall kasi. So, wall. Doon sa wall, dikit mo sa wall. If this is the side of the wall, so dyan mo idikit yung wall angle dito, dito. So, perimeter talaga. Kasi yung wall angle siya yung carry, it will carry the ceiling board. So, 2 times perimeter talaga, 2 times length, 2 times width, plus 2 times width. So, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times patong width, short span is 5, is 10, so 16 plus 10, 26. Number of ceiling with the same dimension, for this example, is just 1. Here, link. So multiply 26 times, so 26 meters yung perimeter natin. So, yan po yung lalagyan ng wall angle. So, length of wall angle per piece. So, for example, 6 meters per piece. So, I will color it with blue so that you can change it according to the commercial length or what's available sa lugar or right, what's available. Total number of wall angle is just this total perimeter divide by 3 per piece. So 26 divide 3, 26 divide 3, okay, 8.66 round up, 9. So 9 pieces at 3 meters long. Yun po yung wall angle natin. And then the wooden furnace, I'm not sure if what you are using. Yun po yung design. You can use it or not. It's a design placed in along or dun sa may wall angle dito. Have you had an example? I think we can check the for parang ganyan. So, ito yung wooden furnace natin. Parang ganito. Ganito sa bubong natin. Sa ceiling, yung design, wooden furnace. Yun po. So, yun. And along the very sides, sa mga, lahat ng sides na lalagyan doon sa ceiling. So, for this example, it's just simple ceiling. So, just the perimeter again. So, 26 times number of ceiling with the same dimension. It's for example, is 1. So, multiply 26 perimeter. Total length of furnace is just furnace per piece. For example, 2.4 or anumang available dyan sa inyo per piece. So, just use that. And then, the total length divide by kung anong available dyan sa inyo na length per piece. So, 56 divide 2.4. Okay. That's 10.83 round up 11 pieces at 2.4 meters long. And that's all. So, for this example, yun lang po talaga. Itong mga may blue na naka-highlight lang po talaga yung data na kailangan. Ito you can not, it's the same. The same lang naman. So I'll color it with green and you don't need to change it. So the blue one only. So here, you can change or not or what's available or what you're planning or ano yung po-order nyo kasi pwede naman customize doon sa supplier kung anong length. By the way, mas maigi Korean channel. Mas mabuti talaga na walang putol. Okay. Yung exact talaga na length yung lalagay nyo para walang chance for failure or yun nga, walang, ano ba tawag dun? Murag walay weakness, walay weak points. So that there will be no weak points in your carrying channel. So, mas maigi na walang dugtong. Okay? Full talaga yung plan. So, yun. Mas maigi. Customize or customize or coordinate with your supplier. Yun po yung advice. Should be walang weak point o so walang dugtong. So, mas maigi na buo talaga. Walang dugtong-dugtong dito sa carrying channel. Kasi siya yung nagdadala, di ba, ng weight. So, yun. And then here, the only blue one, again here also the wall angle. If ano yung length na order nyo or anong available dun sa hardware nyo, yun, lagay nyo, change nyo to. And then, even for this wooden furnace, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Just correct. Sige. Ano na natin? Furnace pronunciation.
Cornice.
Cornice. Okay, cornice. So what in cornice? It's change nyo lang kung anong available dyan per piece. So yun. That's all. Thank you and thank you.